lovers, I have a news for you. Waze just got into their application a new voice. You will like it. I'm sure a lot of you watched the movie Kung Fu Panda, so here it is, some voice samples, and be careful. I got to announce you and I got to warn you before that these voices are not permanently, are limited in time, and these limitations are put by Waze, not by us. So if you will not find in a year when we post this video the Kung Fu Panda voice, you see it's not our fault. So let's see it, guys.
Legend tales of a legendary driver whose driving skills were the stuff of legend. I'm talking about you. In 1 kilometer, at the roundabout, take the second exit. In 200 meters, turn left, and then make a U-turn. For sometimes the wisest direction is one we have walked before. Turn left, and then make a U-turn. Let this be a learning experience, for how is a humble peach pit to become a mighty tree if you don't let it grow? Oh, that's good. I'm going to write that down. In 200 meters, at the roundabout, take the 4th exit. Shashabui! At the roundabout, take the 4th exit. 200 meters, at the roundabout, take the 2nd exit. Just as the prophecy foretold, we have formed an incredible alliance. I have the staff of wisdom. You have the gas pedal of locomotion. Together we shall bring peace and justice to the highway. Whoop! Kya! Cha-cha-cha-cha!